Good morning. Welcome to Kneeland Park. This is Rainy Day Treasure Hunters, and I'd like to say we're going to hunt this little park today. It should be 65 degrees out, and first day of my vacation. So, if you remember, a month and a half ago I found a nice little ring there. It turned out to just be, you know, costume jewelry, but a fun find. And I might even be having another member meet me down here from Rainy Day Treasure Hunters. This is Kneeland Park. Let's see if we can go find something good. Okay, we got a solid 60. Two inches deep, but man, it's not a clean, crisp pinpoint. It's like something long, but usually a 60, solid 60 to 61 is a penny. Right in the hole. Nice, shiny, brand new, and it was 3 inches deep, or 2 inches deep. You wonder how it gets down there so quick. Four inches deep, right there. I think it's there. It's just all of 4 inches. So let's scoop out just a little bit more. We're down to about 3 right now. Okay. I see a coin in the hole. All right. Just a nice deep zinc penny. Let's keep digging. Okay. I got a repeating tab, 55 to 60. And pinpoint is giving me a little chatter, which is really weird, but it is right there, 3 inches. So let's give it a dig. And I already feel it's rocky here. It's a little gravelly down here. Not in the plug. Right here on the side of the hole. So let's see. Okay, so it's a little deeper. Let's put out the placemat and see what they're serving for dinner. I miss the pinpointing that bad? Nope, I see it. It's an old copper. See it in the hole. Okay, I don't know if the camera picks that up, but yeah, this is an old copper, Mike.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'd like to get a date on this. I bring the old trusty loop, and I'll be right back. Let's see here. Well, $1975D. I could dig these coppers all day long. Rainy day treasure hunters. Okay, a solid 60. 2 inches deep right there. Okay, so we're at 2 inches deep. Pro pointer says right here it's coming up a solid 60, which means to me a little zinc penny. So let's give it a quick dig. And it is in the plug. And we got a zinc penny. All right, let's keep digging. Okay, welcome back. I got a low tone. Good solid repeater, 2 inches deep right there. Get my shadow out of the way and let's give it a dig. The Pro pointer is picking it up, barely picking it up right there. So means it's all at 2 inches deep. Oh, it's in the plug. And that jittery pinpointing, low signal means foil. Found a 75 to 80 screaming signal. Three inches deep right there. Yeah. It'll be all of 3 inches because the Pro pointer doesn't get it. Ground is solid. Hello, Mr. Worm. Okay. Let's see here. Put out a placemat. Let's go to dinner. Oh, my bad. It is in the plug. Mr. Worm. Mr. Worm, you're hiding it. He's like, leave my money alone. Is it wrong? I'm out here talking to worms. Oh, it's in the hole. Oh, look at that. This is always a good sign. This is like a clump. Like where the coins hide. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice old dime. Let me get the loop out. I'll be right back. This one's been down there a while, so it's a little worn. We take one more try at it. It's a 2004. It looks like it's a good 70s, but it's not. 2004D. Let's keep digging. Solid repeating signal right there. It was bouncing around. Could mean pull tab. Oh, it's in the plug. Could mean pull tab. But no, let's see what we got here. Or a big snap. This is like my third snap today. And this one, Gen X, says Gen X. All right, let's keep digging. Solid repeater. 3 inches deep. Right here. I do coin right in the hole with the Garrett carrot. Popped it right out. Zinc penny. Nice. Alright. Doing the walkway here. Right along the pathway that leads to the bathroom here at Kneeland Park. I got a signal. It's a repeating in the 70s, but it is a deep thing. 6 inches down, 5 inches down, right there. And it's one of those little faint repeating chirps. I'm gonna dig a deep plug. And it's only a couple inches deep, but it's a green. See the green on that? It's a memorial penny. I don't know. Can that be the only target? I'll go back over with it with the Fisher F5. Let's keep digging. Okay. Oh yeah, this is the kind of tone I like. High beat tone right here. These are my favorite signals. Let's see. Could be a nice dime or a copper, but I see rust. Huh. A little bit of rust in the hole. Let's see. I'll put the placemat out. I spoke too soon. My favorite. Oh no. No, what is that? Yep, that is a old, rusty bottle cap. I almost thought it was a coin under there. But no, it's stomped. It's been down there a while. Oh, I got my blood flowing, but no, it's junk. Okay. Deep repeating signal right there. That's 4 inches. Right next to the walkway. We'll dig a quick plug. Okay, whatever it is, it's under this big rock. Hey. It is still down there. So, I'll lay down a little placemat. The chatter is crazy. Okay, like I said, here is another dirt egg. Oh, and look at that. That's going to be an old dime. Been down there a while because the soil around here turns everything orange. Now, is it really that old? I don't know. Let's take a look. $1981, fairly deep dime. It was 2 to 3 inches. Check the hole. Let's put the rock back. It's like a ground filter. This poor machine is just chirping away. Turn the threshold to -5. So there must be a lot of pipes or minerals. Let's keep digging. That is a solid 90s. Three inches deep right there. Let's see what we got. Right on the target. So let's lay out a placemat. We are practicing proper park etiquette. Still in the hole. Okay, we got it here. Well, shoot. Again, those rusty bottle caps come in at 90. Let's keep digging. Okay. Not 1 foot away from that bottle cap is a strong dime signal. Let's go ahead. Dime or penny. Where'd you go? It's in the plug. There it is. I saw it. Right there. Nice old dime. Okay, let me get a date for that. I'm trying to establish what time period we're in. It's a newer dime, 2010. Let's keep digging. Okay. Got a repeating 7980. Inches deep right here. It's in the deep dark green grass. Wouldn't be surprised if this isn't a sprinkler head of some sort. No. Look at that. It's a penny up on its side. Right there. And that's how they sink right down into the hole. Okay. Same hole. Inches deep. And I either check with the pro pointer or I lift it up and there's the dime right there. So a little pocket spill, penny and a dime. Now I think we got it all. Let me get a reading on the dime. Be right back. $19.84, and it's real shiny on the back, so probably right up against that penny and a coin spill. All right. Okay. This is a screaming dime and quarter. Inches right there. So this seems to be not super deep, so I'm going to use the old gasket scraper. See if we can pop this item out. See that? Newer clad penny. But it looks like might be a little bit of a pocket spill. So let's go down a little deeper. Yep, there's another penny. And a couple more pennies. So that makes 3. And we still got a little bit on this side, unless it's no. So we'll put those right there. Wow, that makes 4 pennies so far. And there's still another one target in the hole. Okay, so let me put those there. And we'll go down. I maybe should have used the digger. Since I'm making a little more of a mess than I thought, we'll put the coins right here. And we'll bring some dirt out of there. And this last coin or object is the deep one. So, welcome back. Had some battery issues, but I'm still at the penny pocket spill, and it ended up 5 pennies out of this hole. I'm telling you, that is a lot of fun. That is a pocket spill here at Kneeland Park. Let's keep swinging, keep digging. Rainy day treasure hunters. Well, I just went down deep, brought out a piece of pure iron piece of pipe. Wow, the old F5. Oh, that was about 6 inches deep. Okay, screaming signal right here, 2 inches deep. Okay. target is in the plug. There it is right there. Another nice dime. All right, let's keep digging. Nice high tone repeater. 3 inches right there. This one was bouncing around the 80 area, 77 to 80. Which in the past could mean bottle cap. Or a 2-3-inch dime. Alright, let's keep digging. Okay, a nice repeater right here. Running low on memory sticks, so I'm going to go straight to dig. It's a 4-inch mid-range tone with a little high-end chirp. Right there. That's been down there a while. Also, a little piece of foil. Oh yeah, look at that. That is that mid-range nickel. It's been down there a minute. We'll get a date on it later. Well, let's keep swinging, keep digging. This one is like a shotgun blast of signals all over the place. A lot of times foil does that, but I want to see if it's gonna, and it is a screaming target right in the middle of the hole. Okay, target, it's in the hole, and look at that. Like I said, screaming, a washer. Okay, faint little chirp, 4 inches. Oh, just some coins so far.
Like good coins or old coins?
Well, back to the 70s.
That's cool.
Yeah, but the potential is there.
Yeah. Anything, I've had one of those one time, and like, I think I found a necklace with broken glass. It was the biggest thing I ever found.
Nice. I found a pretty nice.
That was at Venice Beach, though.
Nice.
Yeah, it was right on Venice Beach. Just got it without the plane with.
Well, here, come on up here. I got a beep in the hole here.
Yeah.
It's I got a nice ring. Yeah, see that little chunk?
Yeah, that's something in there.
Yeah.
Huh.
So let's see what's been down here a while.
That coin.
Yeah, and it's an old copper. So that's been down there a minute.
Yeah.
So I am filming.
Just
to let you know, I got a YouTube.
That's cool.
Rainy day treasure hunters.
Hey, rainy day treasure hunting, you might find the big one. You never know. You might find that one that's worth, that one, was it 1909 dime?
Right.
Yeah.
The big money.
Yeah, big money. Or a misprinted penny, you never know.
Well, until then, 1979 copper.
Right
All right.
Right on, cool, man.
Yeah, let's
Have
keep
fun.
swinging, keep digging. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, a little chirping signal at 4 inches deep right here. I'm gonna go straight to digging since we're running out of battery. See if we can get a, oh yeah. This is all of 4.5 inches, 4 inches deep. So, and it's still in the hole. Oh yeah, here we go. Oops, it's crumbling. It's crumbling, but I think it is a ring. Oh yeah. All right, that is a ring. But it's crumbled. I seen the back of it break. Huh. How strange. It is coming up a ring though. All right. Yeah. Just a couple feet away. Is a screaming signal right here. Let's see if this could actually be a nickel. Oh, it is down in the hole. And it is right here. Oh yeah, just like the Fisher called it, an old rusty red. Let's see here. It looks like 1981. Be right back. Wow, 1961. The year I was born, 1961 nickel. That baby's old, 55 years old, just like me. Rainy day treasure hunters. This is a screaming nickel. 2 inches deep. I don't have my tripod, but it's right here. This thing is a screamer. And we got her. Beautiful, screaming, solid 30 signal. Yeah. Okay, since I'm running low on memory stick, I just dug this, and I'm not sure, but that is not a total coin. Oh, True Bliss. I think it's not a token. True Bliss is a snap of some sort. For a second there, I thought I was having some True Bliss, like in a token. Anyway, that's cool. Nevertheless, I'm having True Bliss out here digging in Kneeland Park. All right, rainy day treasure hunters. All right, here we are. I think this is the last dig of the day. It's a master key in the bottom of the hole. Running out of memory on the stick, so, but here we go. A master key from Rainy Day Treasure Hunters, Kneeland Park. Keep swinging, keep digging. Welcome back. This is Rainy Day Treasure Hunters with a little product review. It's starting to rain too, like our namesake. Okay, today was a great day. Found a 2-feather ring. The ring is broken, and it's just a cheapie, but it is a ring, and it was fun to dig. Day of snaps. I found a True Bliss snap. And then there's a LEI jeans. Got the master key. Had a wonderful day full of True Bliss. 3 quarters, 5 nickels, 10 dimes from the 80s and into the 70s. Also 5 really old coppers dating into the 1970s. Found also a Canadian penny as well, and then a whole bunch of zincs. From the Pacific Northwest, it's Rainy Day Treasure Hunters. Keep swinging, keep digging.